Hi, my name is Diana, the dummy cook, and Halloween is almost here. What are you going to cook? Or what if it's not Halloween, but you want to entertain a group of kids or do a theme party? Whichever the case, you hear that? Whichever the case, Thermomix is there to help you with Cookidoo recipes. We have cakes, for example, black velvet Halloween cake, Halloween pumpkin tart, citrus and spice spider wet cheesecake, spider cakes, flourless chocolate coffin cake. Really good cakes. So now we have pizza or pasta recipes, sausage mummies. Oh my gosh, those are really cute. Ghostly pizza, spooky spaghetti and meatballs, pizza mummy. Of course we have cookies. What do you think? Witches finger cookies, spooky shortbread fingers, Halloween witches hats, ghost biscuits, merengue ghosts. And of course we have some real food items. Mystery soup, beef stew with ghoulish mashed potato ghosts, jack-o'-lantern stuffed peppers, bloodshot deviled eggs. And obviously we have cute little cupcakes. Did I say cute? It's Halloween, hello! Spider web cupcakes, brain cupcakes, mini monsters, and we could not be missing the drinks.
Yep.
Horror punch, cranberry vodka zombie brains, blood orange margarita. That one is my favorite. You always have me a margarita. So now you might say, but I don't have Cookidoo. I don't know what a Thermomix is. It's okay. First of all, Cookidoo is free for a month. So download it. It's cookidoo.thermomix.com and then browse around. Some of those recipes you might be able to do without a Thermomix, because remember, a Thermomix substitutes most of the items in your kitchen. So you might have right now a mixer, you might have a grater, you might have a steamer, some things you can test yourself, but obviously, I advise you to have a Thermomix that will have every single recipe come up in the screen, give you every single step, weigh it for you, and do it for you. But anyway, let's look at one of these recipes so you can see how they look like. Let's click on the witch's finger recipe. You see, it says here that you need sugar, unsalted butter, large egg, almond and vanilla extract, salt, flour, and then you can do grape jelly or you can make your own strawberry jam. I make mine in the Thermomix, and last year when I did the cookies, I put the strawberry jam. It looks like blood anyway, right? It was amazing. And of course, what else do we need? We need sliced almonds, because those are the nails of the witch. Anyway, and then you see here we have the steps. So you see that we're going to grind for 15 seconds, we're going to mix for another 15 seconds, we're going to mix for another 5 seconds, and then at the end we're going to add jam and heat it up in 3 minutes, or you can change recipes, go to the jam recipe, make it, and then it's already hot. But pretty much all your instructions are there in the Cookidoo website and in your screen when you link it to a Thermomix. Now, you don't know what a Thermomix is? Then you need to watch my 6-minute explanation right here. So, spooky season, what are you making? Thank you so much. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a Thermomix in your life, the link is in the comments. It gives you free shipping and my undivided attention. Thank you!